This video will show you how to import a GitLab repository to CodeArts repo. There are two parts. The first part will guide you on how to obtain an access token in GitLab. The second part will focus on how to use the access token to migrate a GitLab repository to CodeArts repo. Log into the GitLab homepage, click the avatar in the upper left corner, click Preferences, click Access Tokens, click Add New Token, enter the token name, enter the token description in the custom text box, select the expiration date, select all options under Select Scopes, and click Create Personal Access Token. Click the Copy button to copy the created access token and save it to the local PC. So far, the access token has been created. Next, let's have a look at how to use the obtained access token to migrate the GitLab repository to CodeArts repo. Select a project on the page, go to the CodeArts repo homepage of this project, click Create Repository, select Imported, click Next, select GitLab, enter the copied access token, and click Next. Select the repository to be imported and click Next. Enter a custom repository name. Set the repository visibility. Select all branches for branch in Repo Sync settings, and select Automatically Create Check Task free of charge. This option can be selected only when CodeArts check has been enabled. Click OK. A message is displayed in the upper right corner, indicating that the repository is created successfully. Click the repository name to go to the code page of the repository. The repository is imported successfully. Now, GitLab repository has been imported to CodeArts repo.